Welcome back to Lake County Euros. Today we are working on Matt's 2019 Volkswagen GTI Stage 3 build. Matt has spent the last year collecting the best parts to build this motor out completely, and we are excited to get this build started. In the last episode, we introduced the start of the new build series here on YouTube, and watched as our technician Michael completely removed the 2-liter turbo engine. This motor has just over 100,000 miles on it, with a simple Stage 1 tune and a few other upgrades. Now with the motor removed from the engine bay, we can continue to tear down this motor and completely get it ready for the forged internal install. Today we are having our technician Justin take over for Michael and remove the top end of the motor. The goal is to remove the head and have it ready for the machine shop this afternoon.
You want to hold this? Alright, I'll hit with an impact, but I should break it with my hand, you know?
Which way are you going? That way?
I usually do inside out.
Righty loosey?
Hit it with the impact. Bro.
Wait, this is a Ferrari, okay? No impact tools on Ferrari.
Hit it with an impact. Bro, I'm walking in. You want my straight one?
Yeah. You have straight?
Yeah, I do have a straight one.
I have a straight breaker.
Well, mijo, that wiggle, that's causing you some torque in there.
That's how he's putting his spine back into alignment. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
No, you didn't get the exercise or something? No. Well, hold on with the freaking head.
Hello, world. How are you guys doing?
How many valves?
100.
No, it's clean, bro.
Yeah.
No way, that's
100K. And why I even told him, I was
one
like,
of
hey.
the lower timing cover bolts was loose.
I was like, hey, let's just do the timing chain while you're here.
Crisp lemon. Find it on it.
At Teardown, you bring the cravings, we bring the savings. Fresh boneless chicken breast, USDA inspected.
Now that the engine has been fully torn down, Michael is ready to get to work on building up the bottom end. He'll be working alongside Frankie to learn how to take proper measurements to gap the piston rings and to make sure the cylinders are in good condition to continue the build. But that will be a lesson for next week's episode. Thank you so much for following the build as we start to seriously transform this simple 2019 GTI into a powerful Stage 3 Rabbit monster. We will see you next week.